Next up, let's journey further into the icy depths of our cosmic neighborhood to explore the blue planet, Uranus. Uranus, the mysterious ice giant. Leaving behind the dazzling Saturn, we now venture deeper into the cold, distant reaches of the solar system to explore a unique and mysterious planet, Uranus. Uranus is one of the four gas giants, but it stands apart from its planetary siblings. Its pale blue color isn't just due to methane reflecting sunlight like Neptune, but because of its unique atmospheric composition. What makes Uranus truly bizarre is its extreme tilt. The planet's axis is tilted at almost 98 degrees, making it appear to roll around the sun rather than spin upright like other planets. Because of this extreme tilt, each of Uranus's poles can face the sun for 42 years of continuous daylight, followed by 42 years of darkness. This peculiar feature remains one of the biggest mysteries about the planet, leaving scientists searching for answers. Composition and atmosphere of Uranus. Uranus is classified as an ice giant, mainly composed of hydrogen, helium, and a large amount of water, ammonia, and methane. The methane in its atmosphere gives it the planet's distinctive pale cyan color. Surprisingly, Uranus is even colder than Neptune. It holds the record as the coldest planet in the solar system, with temperatures dropping as low as near 224 degrees Celsius and 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Rings and mysterious moons. Saturn isn't the only planet with rings. Uranus has its own ring system, consisting of at least 13 faint rings. These rings are made mostly of dark ice and dust, making them difficult to observe from Earth. Uranus also has 27 moons, named after characters from Shakespeare's plays. Some of the most fascinating ones include Miranda, Ariel, and Titania. Miranda, in particular, is one of the strangest moons in the solar system, with rugged cliffs, deep canyons, and massive geological fractures that stretch for tens of kilometers. Storms and strange phenomena on Uranus. While Uranus appears calm compared to Jupiter and Saturn, it still experiences intense storms. In recent years, astronomers have observed huge storm clouds and winds reaching speeds of up to 900 km, 560 miles per hour. One particularly bizarre feature of Uranus is its hydrogen sulfide clouds, the same gas that gives off a rotten egg smell. If humans could somehow fly through its atmosphere, the experience would not be pleasant at all. Additionally, Uranus has an unusual magnetic field. Unlike Earth's, which is well aligned with its axis, Uranus's magnetic field is tilted at an extreme 59-degree angle and even shifts unpredictably every day. This strange behavior makes Uranus an intriguing scientific puzzle. Can we explore Uranus in the future? So far, only one spacecraft has ever visited Uranus, Voyager 2 in 1986. However, it only briefly flew past, capturing a few images. This means we still know very little about Uranus. Excitingly, scientists are now proposing a new mission to Uranus, possibly launching in the 2030s. This mission would study its atmosphere, rings, moons, and magnetic field, helping us unlock the long-hidden secrets of this distant ice giant. Now, let's continue our journey to the farthest planet in the solar system, Neptune. Neptune, the windy blue giant. After exploring Uranus, we now journey even farther into the depths of our solar system to encounter the last official planet, Neptune. Neptune is an ice giant, much like Uranus, but it stands out with its deep, vivid blue color. This intense hue is due to methane in its atmosphere, but scientists suspect that other unknown elements may also contribute to its striking appearance. However, Neptune is not just a beautiful blue planet. It is a world of violent storms, extreme winds, and hidden mysteries waiting to be uncovered. The most powerful winds in the solar system. Neptune holds the record for the fastest winds in the solar system, with gusts reaching an astonishing 2,100 km per hour, 1,300 miles per hour. These supersonic winds are even stronger than those on Jupiter and Saturn, despite Neptune being much farther from the Sun and receiving less energy. One of Neptune's most famous storms was the Great Dark Spot, a massive storm system discovered by Voyager 2 in 1989. This storm was about the size of Earth and had winds faster than any hurricane on our planet. However, when Hubble later observed Neptune, the Great Dark Spot had vanished, suggesting that storms on Neptune appear and disappear unpredictably. Neptune's mysterious atmosphere and internal heat. Neptune's atmosphere is made up of hydrogen, helium, and methane, just like Uranus. However, unlike Uranus, Neptune is much more active, with massive storms and swirling clouds moving at incredible speeds. One mystery that puzzles scientists is Neptune's internal heat. Even though Neptune is farther from the Sun than Uranus, it radiates more heat. This suggests Neptune may have an unknown internal heat source, possibly due to a still mysterious planetary process deep inside. Rings and moons of Neptune. Like Uranus, Neptune also has a faint ring system made of dust and ice particles. These rings are much darker than Saturn's, making them difficult to observe from Earth. Neptune has at least 14 moons, the largest and most famous of which is Triton. Triton is unique among large moons because it orbits backward, retrograde motion, compared to Neptune's rotation, a sign that it was likely captured from the Kuiper Belt long ago. Triton is also one of the coldest places in the solar system, with temperatures plummeting to -235 degrees Celsius, 391 degrees Fahrenheit. But what's truly amazing is that despite this extreme cold, Triton has active geysers that spew nitrogen gas into space. This suggests that Triton may have an underground ocean, raising the possibility that life could exist beneath its icy crust. Can we explore Neptune in the future? So far, Voyager 2 is the only spacecraft to have visited Neptune, flying past it in 1989. Since then, no other mission has returned to study this distant world. However, astronomers are eager to send a dedicated probe to explore Neptune and its mysterious moon Triton. If approved, such a mission could launch in the 2030s or 2040s, giving us our first up-close look at Neptune in decades. With its powerful winds, mysterious atmosphere, and unique moon, Neptune remains one of the most fascinating yet unexplored planets in our solar system. The icy world of the Kuiper Belt and the dwarf planet Pluto. After exploring Neptune, we now venture beyond the planets into the distant and mysterious region known as the Kuiper Belt, a vast, icy frontier at the edge of our solar system. What is the Kuiper Belt? The Kuiper Belt is a massive region of icy objects extending from just beyond Neptune's orbit, about 30 AU, to around 50 AU from the Sun. It is home to countless frozen worlds, comets, and planetesimals, remnants from the early days of the solar system. This region is similar to the asteroid belt, but much larger and filled with icy bodies rather than rocky ones. Scientists believe that the Kuiper Belt holds important clues about how our solar system formed and evolved over billions of years. Pluto, the famous dwarf planet. Among the many objects in the Kuiper Belt, Pluto is by far the most famous. Once considered the ninth planet, Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006 due to its size and irregular orbit. Despite being small, only about 2/3 the size of Earth's moon, Pluto is a fascinating world with mountains of ice, a thin atmosphere, and even glaciers that slowly move across its surface. Its surface is covered with frozen nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide, giving it a bright and reflective appearance. The most well-known feature on Pluto is Tombaugh Regio, a heart-shaped icy plain that captured the world's attention when the New Horizons spacecraft flew by in 2015. Pluto's mysterious moons. Pluto isn't alone. It has 5 moons, with Charon being the largest. In fact, Charon is so big, about half the size of Pluto, that the two bodies orbit a common center of gravity, making them more like a double planet system. Pluto's other moons, Styx, Nix, Kerberos, and Hydra, are much smaller and have chaotic, unpredictable orbits, adding to the mysteries of this distant world. Could there be more hidden worlds beyond Pluto? Scientists believe that the Kuiper Belt may contain many other large dwarf planets and even unknown worlds yet to be discovered. The search for these icy objects is ongoing, and who knows? We might find something even more fascinating in the vast, unexplored frontier of our solar system. And that brings us to the end of our journey through the solar system. From the scorching heat of Venus to the icy winds of Neptune, each planet is a world full of wonders. But remember, this is just the beginning. With future space missions, we will continue to uncover more mysteries of the vast universe. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll live on Mars or even beyond. Which planet impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to join more space adventures.